Why do some people with inflammatory disease develop depression, while others don't? What are the neurocircuits of the brain that govern our mental health? And how does the immune system signal to the brain when we're healthy and when we're sick? In my research group at DANDRITE, we focus on these fundamental questions of the brain, the immune system, and mental health. Our immune system doesn't just fight infection, it also communicates with the brain and changes how we feel and behave. When we get sick, this immune-to-brain communication triggers changes that help us recover. We withdraw from social activities, lose our appetite, develop a fever, and feel unmotivated. Even our mood is affected. The things that would normally bring us joy suddenly seem unappealing. These responses are normal and even helpful in the short term. But when the immune signals persist, such as in chronic disease, they can contribute to the development of affective disorders like depression. Depression is more common than many people realize. 1 in 5 will develop an affective disorder in their lifetime, and around 30% of these will not be able to be treated with current treatments. That means in a room of 100 people, 20 will experience depression, and for 6 of them, current treatments will not work. Depression isn't just a mental disorder. It can also be an early warning sign of other diseases. For example, neurodegenerative conditions such as Parkinson's disease involve affective symptoms long before the physical symptoms appear. We need to find answers to help these patients. My lab is interested in mapping the communication between the immune system and the brain in order to uncover new paths for treating the brain diseases that are difficult to treat. We use advanced genetic tools to explore how brain circuits and immune system interact in disease and in resilience. We create detailed maps of active immune and brain cells. We use these maps to uncover which cells are most affected when we're sick and when we are healthy. We can identify new subtypes of immune and brain cells and study how they function. Once we pinpoint these key players, we can target them selectively and how they influence mood and affective behaviors in our disease models. We can activate and silence certain neurons and immune cells and thereby determine which ones are most important for positive affective health and for treating affective disease. We hope to pave the way for better treatments against difficult-to-treat affective disorders and progressive neurodegenerative disease, such as Parkinson's disease.